Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday I was making some pom-poms using the pom-pom maker, and there is a lot of tutorials on how to use these little gadgets. Really good. And it's funny, I had this in my stash for a while and I just wasn't using them. But anyway, I saw a video from Amy. She's Amy L Crafts here on YouTube and on Instagram, and she was making tassels and it inspired me to make some myself. So I made some with different color yarn. So this one's pink and yellow. This one is pink and like a soft baby blue. And then these baby ones, my husband made these using the baby one. So just to show you how easy it is that he was making some for me. Okay, then what I decided to do was add a bow to some of them. Oh, look how cute. So you could dangle this on your projects, and comes with, well, I added the bow. So I added that one, and then I added this one. Super, super cute. Then I followed Amy's tutorial on how to make the tassel, the pom-pom tassel. So I made this one. I will post the link to her video in the description bar because it is so easy that she made. Okay, the tassels, I also have the tassel maker, but I just wanted to show you that she just used a piece of card, like a chipboard or something, that's 5 inches long. And that's to show you, you don't need gadgets to make this. She also shows you how to make the pom-pom without this. But this is the one I made, and they're pretty long. They are, let's see, from the pom-pom to the tassel, mines are 6.5, and then 2 more inches for the bead. And it's very fluffy. I added the same bow there, so I made that one. And then I made this one, and this one I added this cute little ribbon that I had in my stash. So I did this, and then I used these types of clips to clip them on my projects. And then I just started making more. So pink is obviously my favorite color, so I just wanted to make a whole bunch of pink ones. And then I did this one, and then this one I added those beads and this little bead that I just put together. But yeah, super, super easy, and they look so freaking cute. Look at this. So cute and fluffy. But yeah, pass by, check out her video if you want to make these. They're super easy to do and fun, and they look so cute in your projects. All right, guys, talk to you guys later. Bye.